Hi everyone, this is Valentine and this is Lucy, and I'm not talking about my dog, I'm talking about a vacuum robot. So today I am gonna unbox, review and talk about this smart high-tech robot by Trifa, and this robot's name is Lucy. Isn't it so freaking cool? Because you guys know that my Chihuahua dog, her name is Lucy. Currently, she's staying with my mom, so she's not here with me. But here with me, I have two beautiful, gorgeous cats that I'm taking care of during this fall time of the 2021, and I'm enjoying this time so much. I'm so grateful that I've got this amazing opportunity. And the greatest news ever is that Trifa willing to sponsor a giveaway on my channel. So guys, one of you gonna be the lucky winner. One of you is gonna get a free Trifa Lucy robot to their home with a free delivery to their house, to their doors. So guys, how to enter this giveaway? First of all, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Then you should comment down below to this video of mine. Lucy, this world, Lucy. That's all. So one of all of the people that is gonna comment, gonna be the lucky winner, and one of you is gonna get this the best vacuum robot I've ever seen in my whole life, made by the highest, latest technology. So one of you is gonna be the lucky winner. So be definitely sure to enter this giveaway of mine. It's so very easy to enter. Again, you have to be subscribed to my channel and you have to write down below to this video of mine the word Lucy. The giveaway is gonna be out there for 1 week, for 7 days. So this giveaway is going to be ended in 7 days since the day of publication of this video of mine. So guys, yep, just count 7 days. You can comment as many times as you want. Of course that if you are commenting more, your chances are increased. And of course that you have to be 18 years older to enter this giveaway, or if you are younger than that, you have to have your parents' permission to enter this giveaway. This is only because that you'll need to share with me your personal address. Good luck everyone. I really hope that you are gonna enjoy this robot the same way that I did. So guys, currently, as I said, I have two gorgeous cats. And why am I saying that? Because this robot, it's a special pet edition of a robot. So this one is by Trifa, and this robot have a name. Lucy, already told you that, guys. So this robot is such a cool robot. I've never seen something like that before. This is definitely the highest technology that I've ever seen. So first of all, guys, the design is so very gorgeous. And once you are opening this cup here, this is how it looks like inside. It's even have a USB charger port. So if you are stuck somewhere out there without a charger, but somehow you do have this Trifa robot, well, you can charge anything you want. Show this USB port, and that's so very great. Even better and even more unbelievable thing about this robot, it's the fact that it have a camera right here in front of this robot. I hope you can spot this one. Yeah, this is an exclusive dual camera technology that is almost not exist on the market out there. This robot can avoid obstacles, it can avoid objects while it's cleaning. Moreover than that, of course that this robot comes with an application, and you can see through this camera by using the application what's going on inside of your house. Is there someone who doesn't have to be there? Or you can see your pet, you can talk to your pet through this robot, through the camera. I mean, this is what I call a smart home. So there is an application that you are so very welcome to install, of course, if you own this robot. It's so very easy to install this one and so very easy to understand how to work with this one, and you can do so many things through the application. So let me show you the full using of the application. Okay, you guys, so here is the Trifa Home application. You can add more devices, and as you can see, Trifa have a lot of different vacuum robot, so you are so very welcome to check them out. And this is my robot, and I can see everything. It goes show the application. If I'm gonna push the more features button, there is gonna be this suction settings. Currently it works on the maximum power. You can control the suction power. You can make it stronger or you can make it lower. Currently it's a night outside, and you can change it to be a night vision camera or a day vision camera. It can do both of them. Then you can turn off the sound or turn it on. You can take pictures. Also, you can record the video through the camera. The recordings are automatically being saved to your camera roll, and you can use it as a wide screen or as a small screen. Of course that you can end the video, you can start the video, you can send your robot to the recharge. The next cool thing is that, do you see this microphone icon here? So once I'm tapping this one, I can actually talk, show the robot. So by using this button, you can talk to your pet or to the people that are around the robot, and maybe to prank them, or if someone is robbing your house, so you can tell them to not do that. So there are like designated area settings, so you can create an area that you want the robot to go and to clean. You can create as many areas as you want to, and you can make your robot to go clean these areas. Also, you are having the no-go zone settings. Define areas all around your house wherever you don't want the robot to go, so you definitely can just restrict the robot from going there. So I can choose the room to clean, so the robot can go clean only this room this time, as well as I can also manually control the robot. The next thing is these three dots here, and these are the device settings. You can change the name of the robot, voice settings. If you want it to be on a quiet mode, you can change the language and the volume. You have the do not disturb mode, and you can define the start time and the end time of the do not disturb mode. You can create a schedule. For an example, if you want it to be repeated every day at some certain time, or only the weekdays, like no weekends, and you can choose the mode that it is gonna work on once it's scheduled. The turbo mode, normal mode, or the quiet mode. Quiet is the best, I think. Of course, do never forget to tap the save button. You have the motion detection, so this one is actually so very nice. If there are someone who doesn't have to be around your house currently, so you can turn this option on, and it is gonna notify you once there is some motion inside of your house that it doesn't have to be there. So it's actually providing an alarm to you for anyone who doesn't have to be in your house, but he is in your house somehow. So that's an amazing option. Once the motion detection option is on, it's also recording from the camera what's going on out there. And you'll have all of your records here, so you can check the records, like what's going on out there. Also, you can turn this one on or off by following any schedule that works for you. So that's pretty, y'all. That's an amazing application. Love this one so very much. And the robot, it's the highest technology that is available currently on the market. Lucy is the first robot that is offering a crystal clear day and night vision by using the HDR colored camera that is installed on this robot, and the TOF deep sensor that is also installed on this robot, so it can see through the camera no matter if it's day or night. So welcome to the unboxing and the full detailed introduction to this Trifa Lucy, the original AI home robot, and I've got the pet edition because I'm taking care of two beautiful cats currently. So what makes this Lucy robot to be the standout one? It's first of all the exclusive dual camera system that it works on. So it's made with a high-tech way by following the newest and the modernest algorithms, codes, and data. So this Trifa Lucy robot is the first AI-powered robot that is utilized the 180p HDR colored camera. So it's actually have an actual camera built inside of this robot. You can see through this camera, you can watch what is going on all around your house through this camera. You can talk to your pets, you can watch the robot vacuuming your house through the camera. Isn't it amazing? I've never seen something like that before, guys, honestly. It also works on the time of flight, TOF, depth camera, which is actually gives the robot a true 3D map of your house for the accuratest indoor positioning and mapping, as well as object detection and orienting. The RGB brightness data that is provides through the cameras that it works with actually gives a detailed image of any scene, including textures, colors, ambient lights, and so very on. All this information comes through the cameras that are built inside of this robot, and they are translating by the smart high-tech algorithms that are built inside for the visual SLAM system. SLAM is actually means the simultaneously localization and mapping navigation. So the TOF depth camera works by providing an additional deep information for the deep mapping, and it works by the accurate way possible. It have this unique dual SLAM system installed, which is allows Lucy to understand its surroundings in the best way, even in a low light conditions. So yes, these cameras works day and night, so it do not depend on the light that is surrounded with. All that while other robots can only do a two-dimensional scanning, Lucy doing the full 3D. This is the next generation robot. I've never seen something like that before, guys. So with the unique combination of the visual and the deep information that Lucy is receiving from the cameras, and the robot is translating this information, with all that, Lucy is the only robot that can detect and recognize object as short as 1 inch. Lucy has the power to recognize over 70 objects such as socks, shoes, power cords, stains, carpets, any type of floors, and so very more. All these giving Lucy an understanding of the surroundings, so Lucy works and avoiding the objects the best. So what I've got is the special pet edition. So what's about this pet edition? What's so special about it? So Lucy's pet edition boasts actually 33% more suction power at the 4000 PA motor, which is perfect for our furry friends at home just to manage the pet hair and the large dirt particles. You can fully control the suction power through the Trifia Home application, which I've just showed you guys how to use this one. Lucy is coming with an extra special, well-designed pet hair extractor. This pet hair extractor can be easily installed to the robot. It's such an easy installation, takes a few seconds. So this extractor comes with an anti-knotting function, which is ensuring that the long pet hair does not get stuck into the robot. So it's not really matter what is the type of the furry pet that you are having living with you. If it's a long hair one, if it's a short hair one, this Trifo Lucy robot is ready and occupied with anything you need for any type of the pet. It also have the day and night security option. So not only that Lucy helps to keep your home spotless, clean, and very well vacuumed, but it's also protect it. Yes, guys, it is protecting our houses. Isn't it the coolest thing ever? So I've already told you guys that it is coming with a camera. So you actually can even talk to your pets or talk to other people that are inside of your house through this robot. If that's not a high tech, well, I don't know what high-tech is. If Lucy senses a person or a noise in your home while it's cleaning it, it will send you a notification to your phone. So even when you are away of your house, you can definitely chill because you are gonna know once somebody is inside of your house, because Lucy is looking after your home. Lucy is the first home robot that offers a crystal clear day and night vision. It is providing a unique indoor security at all times. The motion detection features allows Lucy to alert you once something is going on inside of your house. And it definitely can be also used as just a pet camera. You can see your pets, talk to your pets, and record your pet remotely via the Trifo Home application. In addition to monitoring your home, you can also program Lucy to a remotely scheduled cleaning. Lucy can be fully controlled through Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant. So you only need to say, Alexa, turn on or off Lucy, or Hey Google, turn on or turn off Lucy, and it's gonna listen to you. I highly recommend you guys to check this one out. All of the links are gonna be down below in my description box, as well as other information like coupon codes, sales, and so very on. Love this robot so very much. It avoids all of the objects so very well. So the two gorgeous cats that I'm taking care of, they love to play with socks. Yes, this is what cats love to do. So once I want to vacuum the house, I have to go all around the house and collect the socks, collect the cables, collect their toys, collect anything else, because I cannot start the old Roomba robot that I have here without doing that. But things aren't the same anymore. Now, once I have Lucy, the robot by Trifo, once I have this robot, my life is just better and easier. Just because there is no need anymore to go and collect and picking up all of these toys. I just simply turning this robot on and it's doing all of the job by simply avoiding all of the objects that are on the ground. It's the smartest robot I've ever seen. The algorithms are the newest. If this is not a smart home, then I don't know what a smart home is. It's definitely also compatible with the voice assistants, so you can control this robot by your voice and by the application, of course, also by the panel that is on the robot. The design of this robot is a breathtaking one. I love the gold with a black, and I love the glowing finish of this robot, and of course that the panel, oh my god guys, I honestly never seen something like that before. And I love the technology it works on, the HDR colored camera and the TOF depth sensor. Both of these are located here, right here. As you can see guys, there is a camera and here is the sensor. So guys, be definitely sure to enter the giveaway. All of the details about the giveaway are going to be down below in my description box, as well as the link to this Trifo Lucy robot. So be definitely sure to check out the link to this robot. The link is going to be down below in my description box, as well as other information like coupon codes, sales, discounts, and so very on. Be definitely sure to check out the description box. I'll also pin it all at the first comment to this video of mine. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine today, and enter the giveaway. Good luck everyone. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.